In this video, I will show you how to download and install Hytale for free. To download Hytale, go to their official website, hytale.com. Then click this link, download. And then from here, click download for Windows button. You can also download it for macOS or Linux. This will install Hytale launcher. This is the Hytale launcher. It will not launch the game unless you purchase it. You'll have to purchase it in order for this launcher to work. There are 3 editions: Standard, Supporter, and Curse Breaker. You can start with Standard. So when you will purchase the copy, then this launcher will work and it will offer a play button. You'll be able to click this play button to play the game. But initially, launcher will be downloaded and installed in your system. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.